Hey, gorgeous! Today, we are dropping the wildest and most extraordinary DIY secrets from Vanessa Kirby and Angela Bassett's playbook. What are the real beauty secrets lurking behind these dazzling actresses? Why are they so obsessed with oatmeal, raw potatoes, and yeast? And what's with that bottle of dark beer always chilling in their fridge? Let's dive into their world of quirky beauty hacks that are anything but basic. Want to shine like Hollywood royalty? Let's dive right in. Vanessa Kirby, the queen of effortless elegance and unstoppable power. She's bold, she's brilliant, and she's basically flawless. Today, we're unlocking her off-the-record beauty hacks, and trust me, you're gonna want to steal them all. No filters, no gimmicks, just real secrets for real glow. Ready to level up? Let's go. First, oatmeal cleanse, gentle exfoliation. Recipe: 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of almond milk. How to use: mix, apply to damp face, and massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Skin feels smooth, no irritation. Effect: cleanses without drying out the skin, soothes irritations. My mom and grandma used this method. The skin becomes as soft as a baby's, says Vanessa. Second, English tea, detox toner. Recipe: 200 milliliters of strong white tea antioxidants. 1 tablespoon of witch hazel tightens pores. 3 drops of lavender essential oil. How to use: apply with a cotton pad in the morning and evening. Refreshes and evens skin tone. Third, beer mask for radiance. Recipe: 1/4 cup of dark unfiltered beer. B vitamins: 1 tablespoon of yeast, powerful source of B vitamins, especially biotin, full of valuable antioxidants. 1 teaspoon of honey. How to use: apply for 15 minutes, rinse with mineral water. Effect: skin instantly glows from within. Pores tighten. This recipe was gifted to me by the makeup artist on the set of The Crown. Shares Vanessa, in confidence. Fourth, cryotherapy with frozen grapes. Method: freeze seedless red grapes. In the morning, roll the grapes over your massage lines. Benefits: anti-aging effect, resveratrol in the skin, lightens dark spots. Fifth, spa treatment with potatoes. Express, compress. Grate 1 raw potato. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Apply to face for 10 minutes. Result: reduces puffiness under the eyes, reduces redness. 6. Unusual scrub from coffee grounds and chocolate. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. How to use: scrub your body for 5 to 10 minutes. Effect: anti-cellulite action. Skin feels like after an expensive body wrap. 7th, night mask with breast milk. Yes, really. Vanessa's secret: mix 1 teaspoon of breast milk, can be replaced with goat's milk. Add 3 drops of sea buckthorn oil. Apply before bed. Effect: stimulates regeneration, smooths out fine lines. 8th, hair deep restoration mask, recommended by Vanessa. 30 minutes before washing, apply a mask made of avocado plus honey. Rinse hair with nettle infusion, strengthens. 9. Express care before going out. Shine hairspray. 1 cup of mineral water, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Let steep for 2 hours. 5 drops of macadamia oil. How to use: spray on dry hair. Instant salon-level lamination effect. 10. Vanessa's homemade dry shampoo. For light hair, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for scent. For dark hair, add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. How to use: apply with a makeup brush to roots. Comb through after 5 minutes. Bonus: Vanessa's most unexpected life hack. Before stepping onto the red carpet, she applies nipple cream for nursing moms. 100% natural lanolin. True beauty is in the ability to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, says Vanessa. Beauty starts with self-care, the actress shares. Her approach proves that beauty care can be simple and effective without expensive treatments. Angela Bassett isn't just a Hollywood icon. She's a living legend, known for her powerful roles and timeless beauty. This superstar has truly mastered the art of aging gracefully. But what's her secret? Have you ever wondered what fuels that flawless glow? While she doesn't always spill all her skincare secrets, a few of her unexpected at-home beauty hacks have surfaced through interviews and makeup artist tips. Get ready to uncover Angela Bassett's stunning beauty rituals that keep her glowing like a star. Angela Bassett's secret DIY beauty rituals. 1. Honey cleansing. Instead of harsh cleansers, Angela sometimes uses raw honey, a natural antiseptic that hydrates and gently cleanses the skin without drying it out. 2. Oatmeal mask for gentle skin. Exfoliation. A mix of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon, honey, 1 teaspoon, and yogurt, 1 teaspoon, is her go-to natural scrub and mask for delicate exfoliation and deep nourishment. 3. Whiskey tonic glow secret. Yes, you heard that right. Angela sometimes uses a witch hazel toner mixed with a drop of lavender essential oil. In one interview, her makeup artist also revealed she sometimes opts for a mix of diluted apple cider vinegar or oak bark extract, rich in tannins, like whiskey, for a radiant glow. How to make: mix 1 tablespoon witch hazel plus 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar plus 3 tablespoons rose water. Apply with a cotton pad after cleansing. 4th, eggshell powder. Mask for a natural calcium boost and gentle exfoliation. She adds finely ground eggshells to her scrubs. Recipe: grind the shell of 1 egg into a fine powder using a coffee grinder. Mix with 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Apply to the face for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse off with mineral water. 5th, golden eye patch therapy. You'll need 1 raw potato, 2 chilled saffron tea bags. How to use: peel and thinly slice the potato or grate it. Brew saffron tea bags and chill them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Place 1 chilled tea bag under each eye, then layer a potato slice or pulp on top. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove gently and pat dry. Effect: potato brightens dark circles and reduces puffiness. Saffron soothes and refreshes the skin. The cold compress enhances the lifting and depuffing effect. 6th spa day with brewer's yeast. Angela sometimes uses brewer's yeast masks, rich in B vitamins, biotin, and antioxidants, for deep skin nourishment. Recipe: 1 tablespoon brewer's yeast plus 1 teaspoon honey plus 1 tablespoon warm milk. Apply for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 7th nighttime mask with baking soda. Yes, another surprise. For gentle exfoliation, 1 teaspoon baking soda plus 1 teaspoon water. Gently massage onto the skin and rinse off after 1 minute. Note: only suitable for oily or combination skin. 8th, avocado and beer hair mask for deep hydration and volume. Recipe: 1 ripe avocado plus 1/2 cup dark, non-alcoholic, warm beer. Blend together, apply to hair, cover with a towel, and leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Why it works: avocado deeply nourishes, while beer strengthens and adds shine thanks to yeast and B vitamins. 9th, black tea hair. Rinse. Purpose darkens grays for dark hair, adds shine, and strengthens hair naturally. How to use: brew strong black tea, 3 to 4 tea bags per cup. Cool, strain, and add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Use as a final rinse after washing. No need to rinse out. Angela's top beauty philosophy: hair is an extension of your spirit. Don't overload it with chemicals. Sometimes the simplest things work best. Angela's beauty mantra: beauty is a ritual, not a race for trends. Sometimes the best ingredients are already sitting in your kitchen. The actress shares. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on the hottest news and amazing recipes.